Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to do something a little different today and I wanted to show you guys what I've been up to in the kitchen during this quarantine. So here is what I eat in a day. I started off my day with having some apple pie oats, and this is so good, you guys. I just chop up some apples, however many apples you'd like, and I try to chop them up really small. If you don't want to, you don't have to. You don't even have to cook the apples, but that's how I'm going to prepare it because I like them to be soft and less crunchy in my oats. Also, my mom likes to do these really pretty and like skin the apples and stuff like that, but I am too lazy and I just don't care. So I just chop them up like this. So now what you want to do is get your frying pan, and I decided to use some water just to throw in the pot, and what I'm going to do is steam these apples down. Oh yeah, and I also added some vanilla extract for some flavor. As these fry down, you're going to want to keep the lid off, mix them up every now and then, and also while you're at it, you'll sometimes notice that they stick to the pan, so I suggest adding some more water and letting them get really soft and fry down. And look how beautiful this is. So good. Cinnamon. Okay, so I used to hate cinnamon, but this is key to your apple pie oat. It really adds that warmth to your apples. So you guys know the deal. You guys know how to make your oats, but I just throw this in a pot and I stir and wait for them to cook. One thing I like to add into my oats is this almond creamer. It's so good. It's by Coffee Mate. It's almond milk, and I just add a splash in there. So while your oatmeal is on the stove, you're going to want to add in your apples and mix it down. This is a perfect time to add some more cinnamon, and then we're going to top it off with some more of that apples that we just cooked and some strawberries. And voila! You could also add brown sugar or maple syrup to this for extra sweetness. So around mid-mornings is my snack time. I really like to do smoothies, and now that we have some time on our hands, we could do that. I added a whole bunch of stuff I just had in my fridge. So mangoes, blueberries, watermelon, strawberries, some almond milk, and some ice. And there you have it. So good. And you could also add protein, whey protein if you'd like to, if you want this to be a lunch or meal replacement. I'm not gonna lie, you guys, I did add a few things in here that's kind of a little weird. I don't know, I just tried it out. It didn't taste bad, but it was definitely a little different. I think I would do without the Dijon mustard. It was a little much for me. But yes, so avocados, of course. And my secret ingredient. Where is it? Lemon pepper. So good. I added some turkey breast on there as well. And boom, there's your sandwich in less than 5 minutes. And I went ahead and cut up half of an apple and half of a pear, and I just had that on the side for some added veggies. I mean fruit, wow. Next is some vegetable fried rice, you guys. This was so good. So I have some eggs, onions, oil, garlic, tomatoes, and mixed veggies. I lightly coated my pan with some grapeseed oil, and then I added in my garlic and onions. Once your onions are translucent, then you're going to want to add in that veggie mix and cook that down. And once that's all cooked down, you want to grab your rice. I boiled some rice in the beginning and I just threw that into the pot and mixed that together. And I added some thyme, oregano, and some salt and pepper to taste. Then I went in with some soy sauce, and then I went in with some coconut aminos. Coconut aminos is like a substitute for soy sauce, so that's why I really like it, because soy isn't all that good for you, okay? But I had to have a little bit of my tamari because I love that. And you just mix it around and you get this beautiful color. So I almost forgot my egg, so I pushed everything to the side and I started to fry my egg. And then when that's done, you just want to fold it over and mix it up into your rice. And also, I didn't add the tomatoes because I actually really don't like tomatoes, but because I was making this for my whole family, I was gonna make the exception, but they ended up saying it's fine. And boom, guys, there is the vegetable fried rice. This was so good. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you guys want to see from me next.